In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "This web page is not available" error in Chrome, Firefox, and Internet Explorer. Seeing the message, "This web page is not available," can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to access an important website. This error can occur for several reasons, including internet connection problems, incorrect browser settings, cached data, DNS issues, or the website itself being temporarily unavailable. Fortunately, there are several simple troubleshooting steps you can take to identify and resolve the problem. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try opening a different website in your browser. If no websites load, check your network connection and confirm that your computer is connected to the internet before continuing. If only one website isn't opening, refresh the page and try again after a few moments. The website may be experiencing temporary server issues that will resolve on their own. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. In Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer, open the browser settings, locate the browsing data or history section, and clear the cached files and cookies. Outdated or corrupted browsing data can sometimes prevent websites from loading correctly. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely and then reopen it. Restarting the browser ensures that the changes take effect and forces it to create fresh cached data. If the problem continues, try disabling your browser extensions or add-ons temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with website loading or block certain content. After disabling them, refresh the web page to see if it loads successfully. You should also verify that your computer's date and time are correct. Incorrect system time can cause secure websites to fail when establishing encrypted connections, resulting in browser errors. Another helpful step is to restart your modem and router. A simple restart can resolve temporary network communication problems and refresh your internet connection. If you're still unable to access the website, try opening it in a different browser. Testing the site in Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer can help determine whether the issue is browser-specific or affects your entire system. Finally, if the website remains unavailable in every browser and on other devices connected to the same network, the website itself may be temporarily offline. In that case, you'll need to wait until the website owner restores service before trying again. By working through these troubleshooting steps, you can identify the cause of the error and restore normal access to most websites. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel.